Is Jesus the Son of God? In Islam, Jesus is regarded with high respect, recognized as a significant prophet who delivered God's message to humanity. However, the concept of Jesus as the Son of God is not accepted in Islam. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, explicitly denies the notion that God has any offspring. Therefore, in the Islamic faith, Jesus is not considered God's son. The fundamental belief in Islam is Tawhid, which is the concept of the oneness of God. This belief is central to the Islamic faith, and the Quran emphasizes this in several verses. One such verse states, "Say, He is Allah, the one and only, Allah, the eternal, absolute, He neither begets nor is born, and there is nothing like Him." 112:1-4. This verse clearly negates the idea of God having a son or offspring, making it unacceptable for Muslims to believe in Jesus as the Son of God. The Quran also recounts the birth of Jesus, which was miraculous, as he was born to Mary without any male involvement. This miraculous birth is recognized and revered in Islam, but it does not suggest that Jesus is the Son of God. Muslims believe that Jesus is a messenger of God, sent to preach the message of Islam, just like other prophets. He delivered the message of submission to God, emphasizing that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah. This message is the cornerstone of Islamic belief, and it is this belief that defines the relationship between Muslims and Jesus. In conclusion, while Jesus is a highly respected prophet in Islam, the concept of him as the Son of God is not accepted. Muslims believe in the oneness of God, and the Quran negates the idea of God having any offspring. Jesus is seen as a messenger of God who delivered the message of Islam, but not as the Son of God. This understanding of Jesus and his role is fundamental to the Islamic faith and shapes the beliefs and practices of Muslims worldwide.